G'day everyone and welcome back to Ton of Fun Autos and welcome to part 2 of the VX Clubsport cleanup. Now if you haven't seen part 1, I will link it in the description down below so you can catch up on everything that's happened so far. Now today we're going to be pulling this thing out of the shed. We're going to give it a quick hose and chamois down just to get all that dust and stuff that blew on it overnight and yesterday afternoon from that wind that was around. It's a lot less windy today, so that's going to make the job a little bit easier. Once we've done all that, we will start putting some polish on this thing and seeing how good we can get it come up. I expect it to be pretty good. This car has only got 85,000 Ks on it. We'll also go into the story of this car and I'll give you a full tour of the car, just the little subtle things that make this car that little bit unique, but whether or not they were factory or an optional extra at a dealer, for example, we haven't been able to find that information out. But anyway guys, let's get stuck into this video and start polishing this girl. Alrighty guys, I just thought I'd have a quick pause on the polishing and give you guys the story on this car. So all the information that we've got about this car so far has come from the original owner. So unfortunately we don't have any paperwork to back it up, so we can only go on what we've been told. Now, this car apparently was a promo car at Bathurst in 2001. Now, anyone who knows their Bathurst history, that's the year that Mark Scaife and Tony Longhurst won Bathurst. Now, some of you may have noticed that this doesn't have the normal silver inserts in the front bar and the rear bar. They're more of a gold colour, as you can see here. So the wheels also have a gold tinge to them in the light. And the badges on the side of the car, on the B-pillar, they are also gold. And the badge on top of the gear stick is also gold as well. So with this car supposedly being a promo car, I'll jump into the car itself. So as you can see, this badge here is gold as well. This badge here is gold also. Now, I don't know if these were an optional extra from the factory or at a dealer. Not too sure, to be honest. So here's also the odometer. So it's only got 85,000 Ks on it. Now, because this was a promo car, I'll just put this over here. We've got 2001 Bathurst winners Mark Scaife and Tony Longhurst signatures up on the dash. So the inside of this car is pretty clean. I was gonna clean it, but I think it's actually not too bad. Alright guys, so there you go. The VX R8 Clubby is now all clean and polished up and looking as good as it ever did. I will link the VY Clubsport cleanup videos in the description down below. Just for anyone who's curious about what products was used, all that information is in the VY videos. So now it's just time to put this thing away, put it in the shed and throw a cover over it to help it keep it that bit cleaner. As I mentioned at the start of part 1 of the VX R8 cleanup, we're almost hit 100 subscribers, and to a little YouTube channel like this, that is a huge deal. So if you've made it to the end of this video, don't forget to go down below, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. It all helps the channel to keep growing. I thank everyone who's been commenting, liking and subscribing to all the videos so far on the channel. There is more to come. The more subscribers we get, the more things we can do with these cars. Until next time, guys, see you later.